Welcome to my YouTube channel, where every episode I take a physics topic and hopefully explain it in a really simple and understandable way. Now, some episodes are just going to be fun physics facts, but most I'm going to try and tie in to the current school curriculum. So when that's the case, I'm going to put the key stage in the episode title. This week is a fun physics fact episode, and I'm going to be giving you all the key information and facts about the first ever moon landing. I think this is a really exciting topic. I've learned new things from doing this episode, and with SpaceX taking off recently, I thought it'd be a good chance to take a look back and see how we got to where we are today. Now, I'm going to be talking you through this episode in the Eastern time zone because Apollo 11 launched from Cape Kennedy in Florida. At 9:32 a.m. on July the 16th, 1969, with the world watching, Apollo 11 took off from the Kennedy Space Center with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins aboard. They travelled 240,000 miles in 76 hours, and Apollo 11 entered into lunar orbit on July the 19th. So Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin manned the lunar module called the Eagle, and at 1:46 p.m. the next day, this separated from the command station where Michael Collins remained. 2 hours later, the Eagle began its descent to the lunar surface. So this lunar module, the Eagle, was so small that there was no room for seats. So whilst it dropped the 60 miles to the moon's surface, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin had to stand up. At 4:17 p.m, the craft touched down on the southwestern edge of the Sea of Tranquility. This landing site that the Apollo 11 crew had chosen, called the Sea of Tranquility, looked smooth and safe for landing. But this isn't a sea as we know it. It's a lunar mare, which is a large plain formed long ago by a volcanic eruption. When Neil Armstrong landed the lunar module, there were only 30 seconds of fuel left. Armstrong immediately radioed over to Mission Control in Houston, Texas, with the very famous message, "The Eagle has landed." So at 10:39 p.m, which was 5 hours ahead of the original schedule, Armstrong opened the hatch of the lunar module. So as he made his way down the module's ladder, there was a television camera attached to the top of the craft, which was recording everything live and sending it back to Earth where everyone was watching. At 10:56 p.m, Armstrong stepped off the ladder and onto the moon, speaking the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." And whilst Neil Armstrong might have been the first man to step foot on the moon, Buzz Aldrin was actually the first man to go to the toilet there, using a special tube in his spacesuit. So Buzz joined him on the surface of the moon 19 minutes later, where they took photographs, planted a flag, did some scientific tests, and spoke to the president. As you do. By 11 minutes past 1, in the morning on July the 21st, both astronauts were back in the lunar module and the hatch was closed. That night, the two men slept on the surface of the moon, and at 1:54 p.m, the Eagle began its ascent back to the command module. At 5:35 p.m, Armstrong and Aldrin successfully docked and rejoined Collins. And at 12:56 a.m. on July the 22nd, Apollo 11 began its journey home, safely splashing down in the Pacific Ocean at 12:50 p.m. on July the 24th. How amazing was that? Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want to learn about other cool physics facts, then please like and subscribe and watch all of my other videos. And if you want to learn about a specific topic, please leave a comment below and I'll try to do a video for you.